really the metrics that Arun also mentioned on money being the single denominator of calling the shots on the planet. I think this has come to pass now. So today we reach a situation where clearly any corporation, any entity, even big or small, if they say that, look, my job is only to maximize the profit, the people be damned. I mean, look at this pandemic. This pandemic has brought forth the single most important feature that leadership, purpose, values, compassion, and empathy are going to drive the businesses forward rather than a single minded focus on profits. I think where there's so much of despair, so much of disenfranchisement, what you have seen in the last couple of days happening, even in a democracy like the United States, are manifestations of a much larger problem that mankind is facing. And here we are really talking about individuals acting as entities to determine a multi-dimensional achievement of whatever task they are given, rather than a unidimensional achievement of just profits or just shareholder value or just any other metrics that they can use. So today it is really we have reached a point where things have come to a head, and if we do not go back to those very simple things on what is purpose, and purpose, as Arun rightly said, yes, is a reason to be or an intention to do. And yes, there was a purpose even 50 years ago, which was profit maximization. Today, unfortunately, that profit maximization has led to a lot of other collateral damages that individuals, thinkers, politicians, society, and corporates have to seriously introspect on. And post-pandemic, where the economic collapse and the societal collapse is staring us in the face, I think anyone who stands up and he says that, look, I don't really care a damn, I'm still going to be maximizing the profits from my organization or doing all the stuff in a very unidimensional way, society, country, planet be damned, I think is in peril. And that's really the simple kind of exposition that I would put of this case.